Alex Carlucci with Gus & Cho Associates. I want to talk to you about preparing for getting a mortgage after you file a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13. So, if you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, the only thing you can do is wait 2 years, and then you can get an FHA mortgage or VA loan. So, when you're post-bankruptcy after filing a Chapter 7, you cannot be late on anything, okay? Do not be late. I would also reestablish a new credit. Again, don't be late on that. So if you establish a new credit, you wait your 2-year period, your score's higher, if you have no lates, you'll get an approved eligible at that 2-year period exactly. So pay your rent on time in case an underwriter wants to see that. That's how you prepare for a Chapter 7. When it comes to a Chapter 13, when you file your Chapter 13, you wait 1 year into it. Make sure you make all those payments on time. If you do reestablish credit, make sure you pay that on time. Make sure you can verify your rent for 12 months, so pay your rent on time too. It's okay if you live with family members. We'll have to prove that, but if you don't live with family members, make sure you can prove your rent. So prepare to write your rent checks on time for 12 months. Pay your bankruptcy on time for 12 months. Save some money. All these manual underwrites for Chapter 13 require money in the bank. So if you can, save money. And then give me a call at like the 10th month into that Chapter 13. I'll get you a mortgage if you follow those rules, all right? Don't hurt your credit. Prepare yourself. Right when you file that Chapter 13, prepare what's going to come up next. Again, pay your bankruptcy on time, establish a new credit, pay it on time, pay your rent with checks, so you cancel checks in case an underwriter demands it. Give me a call when you're done, 630-915-7550. Thanks.